I'm here today once again to visit and to pay a courtesy call on the Executive Governor, His Excellency Dr. Siminalayi Fubara, and I want to thank the Governor and the Rivers State Government for the opportunity that this meeting has provided and for granting us this audience. As I stated during my last visit to Rivers State, the Nigerian Navy and Rivers State are like conjoined twins. We can't do without each other. This is because ranging from all aspects of our activities, both training, operations, logistics, Rivers State is key to our performance. We have various training institutions here. We also have our logistic depots, we have our operational bases, all in Rivers State. So we see Rivers State as one of the key strategic partners that we cannot function without them. My purpose for coming here today are in threefold. The first is to inform His Excellency that on Saturday, that is 2 days' time, we are graduating a set of former civilians who have been trained at our Nigerian Navy Basic Training School on air. And they are graduating to join the ranks of the Nigerian Navy as ratings in order to beef up our strength. That activity is taking place on Saturday, and that's one of the primary reasons that we are here in Rivers State. The second reason that we are also here is to first appreciate the governor and the entire Rivers State government for the schools which they donated to us, that is the Ambassador Nnefuru Model Secondary School at Eleme and the Model Secondary School also at Tegberu, Nuyingbo local government area. We also want to use this opportunity to inform His Excellency that following that donation, and based on our strategic plan of moving our facilities to areas where we have enough space to be able to carry out our duties, we have renovated the school at Eleme. We've done a lot of infrastructural upgrade on that school, and I'm happy to report today that the erstwhile location of headquarters Naval Training Command in Lagos is moving to that particular location tomorrow. Also, like I said, Rivers State has been a very good landlord to us. We have our Nigerian Naval College on air in Rivers State. We started in the 80s, and as of today, the requirement for our training has far outgrown the location where that particular facility is located. And we're also moving that particular facility, that Nigerian Naval College on there, to this particular location in Eleme, which was donated to us by Rivers State government. That's part of what we want to inform you today, sir. And we're using this opportunity, though we have written, to invite you as a special guest of honor for the launching of that particular facility, which will take place tomorrow. Another reason why we're here today is that in January this year, based on the directive from the President Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, who made it expressly clear that the Nigerian Navy, in collaboration with other agencies, must, as a matter of priority, eradicate the issue of oil theft, and if not fully eradicated, must reduce it to the barest minimum. Based on that, we reorganized our erstwhile operations, brought in new energies and kinetics into it, and we launched an operation in January this year, which we call Operation Delta Sanity. That operation was a reinvigorated form of operation where we enhance our capacities by integrating our unarmed area vehicles, integrating our maritime domain awareness capabilities, and also beefing up our personnel participation in that operation with a view to achieving the mandate given to us by the President. I'm here today to report, sir, that that operation has been very successful, and within the period we have been engaged in that operation, we have recorded tremendous successes and achievements. Over 14 large crude carrying vessels have been erected within that period, most of them in at various levels of investigation. We have also arrested several persons and other companies and organizations that are involved in oil theft. As a result of the operation, we are happy to report that there has been a tremendous improvement in terms of security in the maritime environment. For instance, many of the oil companies, particularly the Shell Petroleum Development Company, have acknowledged our effort and have reported an improvement in what they call the terminal factor. That is, when they put product in the pipeline, what they expect at the other end is almost 95 to 100%. That is because of the operation. And we want to use this opportunity also to report to His Excellency that we didn't do that alone. We didn't achieve that alone. We achieved such successes through collaboration with other stakeholders, and particularly the community, who are key to our successes because they know the environment, they are familiar with the terrain, and without them, we couldn't have been able to achieve what we achieved. So we want to use this opportunity of this meeting to solicit the support of His Excellency and the entire Rivers State government to drum it upon the communities where these activities are taking place. Let them see the benefit of allowing a smooth operation and see the reason why they should not encourage any involvement in oil theft. And also see that there could be repercussions for those who decide to flout the law. I want to also use this opportunity to once again highlight the fact that Rivers State government have been a very good host for all our naval facilities, ranging from the Naval Shipyard Limited, NNS Pathfinder, NNS, the Hydro School, where I worked for more than 5 years in the past, and several others like our medical center, and that the Nigerian Navy will continue to do our best. We'll continue to maintain cordial relationship with our host communities, and we do this through several efforts in terms of provision of medical facilities and giving access to the community to engage in some of our welfare provisions, like our welfare schools and our hospitals. This we'll continue to do, and as we do that, we also continue to seek the support of the government and people of Rivers State to support us in our operations in order for us to be able to achieve the mandate, which is the improvement of the security of the maritime environment, to enable this federal government and the state government to be able to exploit the resources, enormous resources and the potentials in our blue economy. This is the main reason why we are here, and we want to, once again, I want to thank His Excellency for the opportunity of granting us this audience. Thank you, sir.
Let me first of all welcome you again to Rivers State. This time around is also for good reasons. I'm happy to say good reasons because it's not all the time you hear on social media one drama or the other. Let it be that people are also hearing that there are positive things happening in our state. And I'm happy to be associated with this very, very laudable achievement. Let me say, or start it this way. The success of the Nigerian Navy in our state, in the areas of oil theft, the state government have given all the necessary support. We have collaborated with the command, supported them morally and with all the necessary logistics. We have also have this relationship with the communities to make sure that whatever it is that is required for these operations to be successful were given or granted. So I have to say that I'm happy that the Chief of Naval Staff today is commending the exercise, commending the doggedness of your men in fighting oil theft, not just in the Niger Delta, but particularly in our state. I want to assure you that we will continue to give them the support and discourage any act that will be a sabotage to the economy of our state. Let me also thank you for all you're doing in your time. River State is not a mistake to call it River State. It's surrounded by all forms of rivers. You want the Atlantic Ocean, you can get it here. You want those small creeks, you can also get it here. Maybe if you want an island, you can also find it inside here. So it is proper that if we work with you and you have all that is required within this geographical region, it is proper to have your bases, all your bases, your base. Base might be one, but I want all relocated to River State. But that is the truth. Located here, after all, people are seamen. So you have the water. You don't need to be on upland. So we'll give you all that is needed. In fact, about the school, the training school, I'm aware that SSG should have notified you of our support. I do not need to mention it here, the figure, but we're very private and everything is not about news and news and news. We're working together. We'll give you all the support to make sure that you deliver on your mandate. And what is the mandate? You were appointed at a time when our country is facing a lot of crisis. And your duty, among others, include to reduce, if it cannot be eliminated completely, this crime of the waterways, oil theft, and others. And I'm happy that there are positive and commendable record of achievement in the course of your tenure. I'm happy to say that. So where do we come in? We must continue to give you the necessary support to make sure that you succeed. I'm happy to also say that as the governor of the state, by the special grace of God, we are still here, not minding the drama here and there. We will not let our people down in ensuring that we protect their interests. We support the genuine cause of governance. And what is the genuine cause of governance? Protection of life and provision of basic amenities. And this can only be achieved when there is a peaceful environment. And this peaceful environment can only come when there is collaboration with the security agencies to prevent crimes, protect life. So I want to thank you for all you're doing, all your men are doing in our dear state. We will give you all the support that is needed within your time to record more achievements. That is a promise that you can go home with. We will also give your men that are here all the support that is required to make sure they succeed in their primary assignment here. I will be with you by the special grace of God tomorrow. Maybe other things that I would want to say here, let me reserve it for tomorrow. Thank you for your visit. I wish you a very hospitality stay in our dear state.
Are you done?
His Excellency.
Are you done?
Hey.
Sorry.
Have you gone closer?
Take that one first. Okay.